unboxing is another wireless charger I'm going to test for a couple of days, and it should perform better than this one here, because I'm thinking it delivers more power than this one. Let me just grab the box. There's the box, you guys can see. 5 watts of power. Is this fast charging though?
2 hours later.
QI device here. Wireless charging pad support. Okay, this is not fast charging. I thought it was a fast charger. Anyways, we'll just test it out. So the reason for this video is actually not this wireless charger what's not, but I found out that the new iOS, the iOS 12 now supports voice for South African, English for Siri. So I'm gonna be testing that out right now with you guys. I haven't really gone and try and test on how it works, but let's see if I can find that out. You guys want to see where I'm going? Okay, so we're gonna go to, okay, that's actually not that visible, so let me just go there by myself. It should be under Siri, obviously Siri, and search, but I'm guessing most of you did not even install this thing. Actually, on the previous video that I posted about iOS 12, there was only like one person that said that they actually couldn't wait and just went ahead and installed iOS 12. So let's see if I can find iOS 12. I mean iOS 12. Let's see if I can find the new Siri voice, South African voice. Okay, I think I found it. So this new voice reads as follow. Siri voice. Okay, first of all, you only had the American. Why can't I see the screen? Okay, let me dim this thing. Okay, first you only had the American, Australian, British, and Irish. Now they've included, I think even the Irish wasn't there. Now they've included the South African. So let's kind of try it out. Let's try the male first. It's really slow. Okay, let's try it out.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
Eh?
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
This doesn't sound South African at all.
I'm Siri, your
Maybe
virtual
it's just
assistant.
me. Can you guys hear it?
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
It doesn't sound South African. I'm gonna put a clip of what I was actually expecting it would sound like right now.
Attention all passengers. Attention all passengers. Hello. Hello, I'm talking to you. Hello. Yeah, all the people is like cooler.com, the plane is delayed.
So that's one of the new features of iOS 12. This
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
This is definitely, I don't know, maybe it's just me. What do you guys think? Is this how South Africans normally sound? But anyways, tell me what you guys think about the new Siri voice in the comments down below.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
I'll catch you guys on the next video. Yeah, it's been PMHK, obviously. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next video.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.